Hey guys, welcome back to Saryu Clinics, and we are live today showing a lip augmentation surgery. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
So what exactly are we doing today?
So today we are doing lip augmentation. It is called lip reduction surgery. So you can clearly see there is a wide plump lower lip in this patient. So nowadays plump lips are very in, but few of people are very much concerned about lip reduction. So they just want thinner lips, smaller lips. For this thing there is no any other alternative rather than surgery. So surgery is the only option for lip reduction. So this is a very small surgery. Under local anesthesia, you will be totally awake and it is completely painless. We just remove the extra amount of lip and we will close it, and after 8 to 9 days it will be completely healed up and your lip volume will be less.
And we are doing it with laser, right?
Yeah.
So what are the benefits of doing this surgery with laser?
So the healing process is much faster and better in laser in comparison to scalpel, and there will be no bleeding or very minimal less bleeding, as in the lip area and in oral mucosa area bleeding is very much profound. So we will have to take care of specifically about film bleeding. So bleeding will be the main concern. So through laser bleeding will be minimal or negligible.
In how many days can the patient see the results?
At least 15 days.
Okay. And are the results permanent? I know the answer, guys. I'm asking these basic questions only for you because I'm sure you don't know the answers.
Yes. Answer is results will be permanent. They will be permanent, and there will be no side effects or no any harm in your daily routine, lip movement. Initial 1 week precautions you will have to take. That will be, you will have to avoid specific movements of lips and excessive hot, cold, spicy food. That's all.
And one
and
more
you will have
thing.
to maintain oral hygiene and avoid smoking, alcohol and all.
एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन का तो जवाब ही नहीं दिया आपने डॉक्टर आदर्श. और क्या अवॉइड करना है? हर फिलर और हर लिप सर्जरी के क्वेश्चन में सबसे ऊपर क्वेश्चन होता है
that I don't have to tell, because during surgery procedure patient will avoid that kissing and all.
So
I don't have to.
हर फिलर के पेशेंट का, हर लिप सर्जरी के पेशेंट का पहला क्वेश्चन होता है कितने दिन तक मैं किस नहीं कर सकता. So 5 to 6 days.
Yes.
Right? It's okay, guys. इतना तो कर ही सकते हो. So let Dr. Adarsh start with the surgery. I'm showing you a little bit, and okay, so guys, we're also having a shoot today. Yeah, so you can see this whole procedure for all the doctors, our juniors, fans who follow us. You can see the whole procedure on our YouTube channel. Dr. Adarsh, क्या नाम है आपके YouTube channel का?
डॉक्टर आदर्श त्रिपाठी, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट एंड कॉस्मेटिक सेंटर.
प्लीज एक बार स्टार्ट करने से पहले बोल दीजिए अपने सारे फॉलोअर्स और फैंस को टू फॉलो यू ऑन यूट्यूब. फिर मैं यहाँ से जा रही हूँ क्योंकि हमारे वीडियोग्राफर भाई साहब बहुत परेशान हो रहे हैं बिकॉज आई एम टेकिंग अप ऑल द स्पेस इन द रूम. सो गाइज प्लीज फॉलो डॉक्टर आदर्श, सब्सक्राइब, फॉलो हिम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, सब्सक्राइब टू हिज यूट्यूब चैनल, and don't forget to like all his videos. And that's bye for now, and we will be putting the professional version of this video very soon, and there are a lot of new things coming up, new collaborations, new products, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed for 2021. See you guys soon, and stay tuned for our live hair transplant surgery tomorrow. That we'll go live around 9 o'clock in the morning, and you can see the live surgery on Instagram. Bye for now.